Introducing the FortiGate 7121F series, with unprecedented threat protection and SSL inspection performance for your large enterprise, hyperscale data center, or service provider. At the top of the chassis, the FortiGate 7121F has two system management modules. These are redundant modules that monitor the chassis' operating parameters, such as temperature and power, and generate alarms if any parameters exceed a threshold. They also provide management and console access to the chassis. There are also 8 power supplies, which operate in a 4+4 power redundancy. The FortiGate 7121F's modules leverage Fortinet's latest purpose-built security processors. The CP9 for content processing provides top-of-class threat protection performance. The NP7 for networking is optimized for ultra-low latency and industry-leading firewall performance. It provides state-of-the-art security acceleration for traffic such as VXLAN and GRE IP tunneling, as well as IPsec VPN, including Suite B. For cooling, the back of the 7121F chassis contains 6 hot-swappable fan trays. The FortiGate 7121F has 2 interface modules which provide connectivity at one of the highest interface densities available. A total of 36 QSFP28 100 gigabit ports and 4 QSFP-DD 400 gigabit ports deliver up to 1.9 terabits per second of firewall performance. Each interface module has 5 NP7s, which allow it to perform ultra-powerful data forwarding. Each interface module also provides 8 terabytes of high-speed solid-state disks for on-box logging, providing visibility and traffic analytics both on-box and off-box with FortiAnalyzer. If you have ultra-high logging needs, the FortiAnalyzer Big Data 4500F is a great complement. The switching capacity between the interface modules is 1 terabit per second, and they have a line rate forwarding capability of 400 gigabits per second to the 7121F's processing modules. The FortiGate 7121F supports up to 10 Fortinet processor modules, scaling up to a total of 520 gigabits of threat protection performance. The processing modules themselves are the secret ingredient to the FortiGate chassis platforms, and the processing module on the FortiGate 7121F is one of the most powerful. Each one has 2 NP7s, giving a capacity of 400 gigabits of firewall forwarding for the processing module alone. It also has a total of 8 CP9 content processors, which accelerate additional IPS functions. This makes the 7121F processing module the fastest processing board for threat protection in Fortinet's chassis lineup. The processing modules themselves also provides additional interface density, with 8 SFP28 ports which support both 10 and 25 gigabit speeds, and 2 QSFP28 100 gigabit speed ports. The FortiGate 7121F, with up to 540 gigabits per second of SSL inspection and 520 gigabits of threat protection performance, allows you to implement security without compromise. For more information about the FortiGate 7121F, please visit Fortinet.com or talk to your reseller.